Oh, you're simply the best.
All the rest. Anyone.
Okay, folks, so Lough Forest Park was here at the beginning of the season, right after the storm, and the storm has destroyed a lot of the pitches. I'm on pitch 35, and I'm approaching, I think it's pitch 40 or 38 or something like that, and it's right behind me here. You can see that used to be a beautiful pitch there. It was real old trees, like the dog's going around me here. It was real old trees and it was real shaded. It was like you're really deep in the woods. And that storm, Aowen, I spin because of the dog, destroyed it. Yeah, it's pitch 38. See if I can show it to you. So that's pitch 38. And you got these tall, I think they're like type of cypress. And you can see where it's fenced off over there. Completely destroyed. 38 here was a nice pitch. And next to it was a nice pitch. 37's right here. It's pretty good. Nice and sheltered. The big hedges. Reminds you of Kamac Valley over in Clondalkin. But the storm really devastated all back in there. There was a nice little wood walk that you can go. This is pitch 40 we're approaching here. So pitch 40, 38, completely destroyed, no shelter now. Hopefully maybe they'll put some hedgerows in to do something, or some kind of fast growing trees or bushes. But you can just see the devastation back there. And then pitch 41 across is all right, and pitch 39, dog, she's pulling me, is all right. So it's 12 in the afternoon. Just got the electric set up, and now I'm taking the dog for a walk. Hopefully this passes over a bit. It's gonna rain all weekend. So we're in Lough for one night. €40 for the night, electric. €2 for a token for a shower. That's kind of ridiculous. And then tomorrow is Lough Arrow adult campsite, but I doubt anyone is going to be out in this stuff. Actually, here comes a caravan now. But yeah, I'm going to take the dog for a walk, and then when I get a chance, I'll show around, because when it clears up, I want to get on the bike, head down to the marina and to the cafe. I want to grab a pizza. They got some excellent pizza up at the the Adventure Center, or the cafe that's over there by the marina. So, right, enough of me talking. I'll show you some scenery and then I'll review it. They're edible.
Yeah, very good edible.
The Prince. PR, like Prince. Like,
yeah. Scientific name, Agaricus augustus.
rain's starting to come down. Order my pizza. Gotta get your order in. At last order 4:45 to close at 5. Website says 6. That might be during peak season, so either I'm off or the website's off. But it's September, so 4:45 last order, and it's right now it's like 4:15, so I'm all right. Got 2 12-inch pepperoni pizzas, and that was €13 a piece, but it's good pizza. So yeah, it's about the marina behind me. I love this marina. It's my favorite marina. Out there is, you probably can't see it, it's McDermott's Castle. It's on the island. And if you were to go up that way, hang a left, go down the Boyle River, take you to Boyle Marina, and you can walk into Boyle town. But no, I like Lough, I really do. They've really done a lot to it. I'd like to see a hotel here, actually. I think it'd be nice.
Do you like for a tasty treat? Yeah. I'm thinking it's about time to eat. Yes, it is.
Real quick, I gotta show you this pizza. It's raining, and I gotta get back on the bike here and head back. So I'll show you the pizza real quick. That's the pizza, but actually, man, I gotta take a bite. I gotta grab it. This is it's pretty good. I'm such a pig. That's good pizza. So, my Asiatica e-bike, man, this thing got some oof to it, boy. Alright, gotta head back when we get drenched. Rain coming down. Okay, so it is now Saturday morning, the 13th September. So we're just staying one night, and it rained all night. This weekend is bad. There's like a bit of a rainstorm coming. I think thunderstorms today. But rained all night, and it's pouring down now. So we're stuck over here at the reception area, where there's a games room behind me. So what do I think of Lough? I love Lough. I've always loved Lough. Like I said earlier, I'd like to see a hotel here, actually. Lots to do. I think the campsite closes this month, or maybe beginning of October. Check the website. I like it to be open year round. But the trail is a forest park, so you can walk the trails all year round. Not sure if the cafe closes during the winter. I can't remember. But yeah, it's a nice area. Plenty to do if you have kids. Some caravans came in last night. A couple caravans. One's across from us, and all night you can actually hear the kids bouncing off the caravan. So where we're going today, Lough, no kids. So hooray for that. So yeah, a couple caravans pulled in, a couple motorhomes, and it is just lashing. So we're going to stay here till about 12 o'clock. Lough is 19 minutes away, just up the road basically. And you could just see it coming down now. It's just a terrible weekend. All right, folks. So I got the dog out. Wanted to let her do her business, but right now it's raining, so it's like I'm stuck here with a rain delay. But yeah, Lough Forest Park, 8 out of 10, €40 for the night with electric. Showers are €2 a token for 5 minutes. What I was going to say, your chemical toilet, your gray water is at your pitch. Security gate to get in and out. Plenty of area here, like a soccer ball pitch here, volleyball, whatever they want to do. Forest walks. Even though the storm hit the forest pretty bad, it's still a good place to come. Yeah, other than that, 8 out of 10, Lough. Okay, so we'll see you at Lough. Nothing in there.